Hello friends, good morning. In this video, let's see how to work and understand the two labs which is present in the Google Cloud Skill Boost for partners. The lab one is Vertex AI Search app and another lab is Deploy and Query Google Agent Space. And one more thing, this video is mainly for whoever is having access to the partner Cloud Skill Boost. Let us start now without any further delay. Before working on the hands-on labs, we need to understand what is Vertex AI Search and what is Agent Space. So I have given the definition over here. Let us start with Vertex AI first. In Google Cloud, Vertex AI Search is a powerful service that helps us build intelligent search application. Unlike normal keyword search, it uses natural language and understanding and vector search to understand user intent. This means it can find the right answer even if the exact words don't match. With Vertex AI Search, we can search across websites, structured data like product catalogs, and unstructured data like documents or PDFs, all using AI. So here in simple term, there is no limitation. Like structured data only can search or unstructured like that. This Vertex AI will crawl through the websites and the documents, the different types of documents, and it will get those metadata and it will share those information to us even if you type something wrong, spelling wrong or typo or something whatever. This Vertex AI search will understand the user requirement and it will provide the exact need whatever we are looking for. Okay, that's all about Vertex AI introduction. We will see the same in lab. Next, agent space. What is agent space? Agent space is another part of Google Cloud AI application. Think of it like a platform. It's a platform we can build our own AI assistant. So that's all. Or chatbot, like how we are having Gemini now. In Gemini, we are typing and asking those stuffs and all, right? It's giving the information. So like this, here we can build our own chatbot, our own AI assistant. Chatbot can whatever queries, if you or even your kids are asking any questions, it will be able to help them. And AI assistant, if you want to schedule a calls, meetings, whatever, or any events tomorrow or next week or later, this assistant will be able to schedule things. So it is like a personal assistant you can hire and keep it with you. That's your application. Your application will perform like a personal assistant. Okay. So these all things are like enterprise oriented. It can connect your organization's data like Google Drive, Google Calendar, or even external systems and then perform actions for you. Okay. For example, it can summarize documents, find information, or even create calendar invites automatically. That's what we discussed. So while Vertex AI Search focus on searching, Agent Space goes on step further by letting the AI assistant also to take the actions. That's all. That's all about the introduction. So let us go and start with the lab. This is the lab. So in this lab, what we are going to do is we will build search apps using Vertex AI Search. So we will see how it works with websites, structured data, and unstructured data. And the instruction I am going to follow from this Google only. I'm not going to do anything alone from my end. I am starting the lab. Let me open this in incognito window. So agree and continue. Here, we first enable the Discovery Engine API. This allows us to use the Vertex AI search. To proceed that, I'm going to follow the instruction provided in this Google itself. Let us go to AI applications. Just click on allow, continue and activate the API. It will take some time. Let's see. Our AI application page is ready now. Okay, we have completed this first part. Okay, we have the first step is to navigate application console. Click continue and activate the API. So we did this. Now let me check my progress. Yes, this is done. And then next, create and preview a website search app. Let us proceed these steps. So once the API enabled, this application page has been opened. And in this time, I am going to click on site search with AI mode. Click create. Okay. So leave this as default. This all enterprise edition generated response. Leave this as default. I'm going to give the application name. Let me type Google Cloud Docs. I'll give the company name, Google Cloud Documentation. And then the location of your map, I'm selecting global only. Click on continue. This is done. We need to create a data source. Here we are going to crawl from the website. So if you see here, automatically crawl public website content from a list of URL patterns you define. So our agent is going to crawl from this website. So let me select this. As I mentioned, I have given the URL here, sites to include. This size is Google Cloud documentation. We can check over here also. Just copy and paste here. That's all. See, this is the Google Cloud documentation. So what we are going to do is our Vertex search, this Vertex AI search will go to this website, travel and get the information from here. So we can ask any question from this website. That is our main content. Okay. Let me go to the next step and sites to exclude those things not needed now as we are learning now and clicking continue. And we need to give this data source a name. So this is the data source, right? So we need to give a name. Okay, fine. Fine. So data source is here now. We need to click on create. So now we followed this step. See here, we gave the app name, company name, and the website name we URL we gave, and this data source name we gave, and then we have clicked on create. Let us check the progress. Yes, so this is done. Now, next what we are going to do is we can preview the website search app. See, I am not sharing this screen in this video. The reason is I am want to focus on the presentation. As I mentioned already, whoever is having access to the partner.cloud skill boost, you will be able to see this page in your laptop itself. So no need to worry about this. In the side panel, let's continue. Okay. In the side panel, select preview. In the search bar, enter the document A and press enter. Okay, let us proceed on this. Preview. Document AI, press enter. Okay, what we are asking is giving here. See here. Here the install cloud CLI. Here this is for authenticate. So this is clear that our application, the application which we built now is properly scraping the information from the Google Docs. The document, this is the URL we give. Similarly, if you are giving your website URL, you will be able to get those information from there to here. So this is the overall concept we are planning to achieve. For that, we are experiencing this lab. Fine. So far, we did created and preview website search app. Now let's go and create and preview a structured data search app. Okay. To proceed that, let me go back to the same AI applications and apps page. First, this is the one we created and it is working fine. We have verified that. Next, I'm going to create another one application, create app. So here, as I mentioned, I'm going to give some data general, right? So let me search anything like, yeah, custom search general. See here, structured catalog. So that's what we are going to see now. Create and preview a structured data search. Create. Okay. So these are selected by default. Let it be. I'm not touching that. Application name. Okay. So we will create a movie database search. And company name is movie searches. Click on continue. Okay. Now we have created a second application. For this application, we need to create a data source. Okay. So where we have the content, I have, as per this lab instruction, it is there in cloud storage. Clicking this. And what we need to select is structured JSON. Fine. Task 3, I am following this instruction only. See, this is the file. This is the file JSON location. This cloud storage bucket content. See, this bucket is having all the information carried. So let me open and show this website here. See, this is the movie data set. So this is having all the information about all the movie stuffs. Let me, okay, that's all. And I given this source also. This is the file we are importing here like that. Let me click on continue. Need to review first. Review schema and assign. Okay, okay. So these columns are all showing now continue. Now it will work. It is structured movie data. Structure and structured, that those things are different. Structured is a proper table wise sequence and structure is like PDF or whatever the stuffs. If you see in the PDF, somewhere we will see JPG picture, somewhere we can see tables in third page. So those stuffs we can consider an unstructured data. Fine. We have created a second data source also. Second application created. Second application in progress. Data source created. Let me click on create to complete the application. So the app has been created. Let us see the data. Yes, document ingestion is working in progress. So we need to wait for some time. Finally, all items are succeeded here. All documents are uploaded properly. So this activity is fine now. If you see this activity, so there are no errors and 45,437 documents has been uploaded. Okay. So this is the main thing we need to see. And let's see the schema. What are the schema columns are available there? To budget, gent. So there are different names about these movies are here. Fine. So in this configuration, so how we need the result? Configure field in result. Okay. So we need to give here. This title should be the title of the movie. Me search title. Fine. And thumbnail the poster. Okay. For better understanding. Poster path. And URL is the home page we need to give. Fine. That particular document's home page. Next one should be tagline. Next two should be release date. Fine. Okay. Let me click save and publish. So this updates, widget configuration has been updated successfully. Okay, so this configuration done. Now let's again go to this preview. Okay, so this is our desktop preview and this is mobile preview. Here let me check the famous movie. Yeah, Harry Potter. Yeah, so it is showing here. Let see this search is giving the particular movie page. Continue to cite. See, this is the page where the home page we have given. This is the home page. Things are all coming up properly. Let the magic begin. Okay, this is the tagline we have given for the movie tagline. And when the movie was released, that's what the text two we have given here, right? Text one should be let the magic begin. That tagline, movie tagline, and text two. And this is the thumbnail, poster, the movie poster, and the title is here. So that's all. Whatever the configuration we gave in this is reflecting here, and once we are opening the URL, it is navigating to this particular page, the movie. Let me check if any other movie name. My favorite movie is Van Helsing. Let me check whether it is showing there. Yeah, it is showing here. Okay, but yes. Fine. So this is the movie data store we have created, and the thing is reflecting. So we have created this third one, yeah. So we have created all these steps, and we were able to scroll through and check. See, we did this configuration. Let us check the progress. Yes, it is done. And in this preview, we did the Harry Potter movie search and few other movies also we did, all working fine. And okay, fine. Now, next thing is this is the important step. In this integration, we have two modules. One is widget and another one is API. So the widget one is for allowing our application page for search those stuffs and all. In here, API is there. In this API, say the check what we did in this application preview, right? The same thing we can try here. Let me try Harry Potter. See, if you see here, the query has been adjusted accordingly. Now we will get the same result as we got in that UI, GUI, graphical user interface. But here, the view is in the console, Cloud Shell. So this search is in progress. So we got complete information about this movie, Harry Potter. Okay, released. This is the picture ID. Warner Bros. Production. And yeah, this movie got released on 16 November 2001. So like this, the continuity. There are many parts, movie parts are there. So that's why we got all the information here. Yet it's very difficult to read the data, right? So that's why we got a UA preview, and we have seen everything in the UA itself. Let me close this. So that's why this is easy for everyone. What we done is we have created an app and we saw the preview with a structured data. Now let's try to create another app and preview unstructured data. So that the same thing we are here. See, unstructured data is the data that does not have a predefined format. This type of data can be difficult to search using traditional search engines. That's what they mentioned. He said normal search engine is not possible to get that information, but this Vertex AI will be able to get it. Okay, so these are the steps to follow. Let me proceed the steps one by one. Okay, again we are going to AI applications. So far we have created two applications for us, two search application for us. Okay, this first one is website search application, and this is structured data movie database app. And now we are going to create unstructured data search application. So create application. Again, I'm going to search, use the custom general, and let's leave it by default. I'm going to use Alphabet Investor. So this is also the part of Google companies. Alphabet Investors. Location, I'm going to keep it as a global. Click on continue. Fine. Now app creation in progress. For that app, we need a data source. So I'm creating a data source. In the data source, I need to select cloud storage. So let me select this unstructured document. So this is only possible for this cloud storage. The reason I'm saying is we can save different types of files extension over there. Fine. Let me, these things and all I'm keeping default. And next step is select a folder or file. I'm going to give the folder. This is the folder I'm selecting here. Let me click continue now. We need to give the data source name. For the data source name, let me give the unstructured PDF data. Same as Google is giving, as I am following the same instruction there. Okay, the document processing, layout parser. Layout will be easy to identify the content elements like a text block, tables, list, and structural elements such as tiles and headings. Because in PDF we will have a all type of data, normal text, tables, pictures, many things. Fine. So this is enough here. So for that reason, I selected layout parser, and then there is nothing, no need to do chunk size and all. By default, it is fine. Let me click on create. Fine. So the third app in progress, data source creation is in progress now. Yes, the unstructured PDF data source is created, app already be initiated. So if we, by clicking this create, our third app will also get ready. Still the import is in progress. We have to wait some more time. It is showing like a error, right? But it's actually not a error. See here, this documents processing is uploading is in progress. See the contents are loading. See these many index has been happened now still from this cloud storage. The videos are there. Oh, fine. Fine. So that's why this is taking this much time. Now the error message is not here. So it will show like that, but it's automatically clearing. Import is still in progress. We need to wait. Okay, let's wait for a few more minutes. Since you are still doing the passing work, See here, passing are finished, document ingestion in progress. Few passing done and ingestion is in progress. Three, only four files, only four files are there. We hope it will complete in another 2 minutes. Let's wait. See, all the files are indexed and imported. So let us just to do the search again here. See, I just tried now, it is working. See, previously it was showing no data something. Now the files are loading. It means files got imported. See, we are able to see the 2008 earnings. Let's try alphabet 2008 earnings. Just typing something there. Q2. So this is showing there 2008. Let me check 2005. See, this search is properly working. 2005, all data I'm able to fetch here, and also the older data are there. Let me try some random numbers. Just only 2005. So, showing everything. It's not that much accurate, but still prioritizing here. Fine. Let me see what is showing here. Is activity, whether it is completed or not. Okay, fine. So it is showing no errors, item succeeded, 96. So that's all. So in this video, yeah, this is the final part, right? So we did create and preview an unstructured data search app. So we have created and we have uploaded the unstructured PDFs and we searched over it and completed it. And we were able to get the data properly. So let me check my progress. Yes, it's done. And it shows congratulations. To learn how to create Vertex AI Search apps using different types of data sources. Yeah. So we used three different data sources here, data stores here. One is, see here, website search app, and another thing is structured data search, that is for the movie database, and this is unstructured data search. And this is the public information of the Google company. These are the revenue things. So we used three different data stores here. And we configured the display of search results. We also viewed the code we saw in Cloud Shell. For example, the movie we saw, Harry Potter. Same like that, we can check everything. That's all. So we have completed this. Thank you, friends. Thanks for your time. The next lab we are going to do is deploy and query Google Agent Space. In this agent space, we are going to see how, like a Gemini, we are going to build one chat application for us. That is really more interesting, as this video might take 30 plus minutes. So we'll see this in next video. Stay tuned for more Google Cloud related videos. Please comment if you are looking for any specific content in Google Cloud. So it will be helpful for me also to learn. So that's all. See, our progress all done. And one more thing is, finally, we have only 1.5 minutes left. Let me end my lab, or it will show us failed in lab. So I have already given stars. It's really a great learning. Let update. So thank you, friends. Thank you once again. We'll see in the next video. Next video means the deploy and query Google Agent Space.